Hello everyone and welcome to Ali Crochet. For today's video, I'm going to recreate the emotional support pickle. Here's our materials. We have a 3.5mm crochet hook, a pair of scissors, a stick glue, tapestry needle, and of course a yarn color green, and of course you have to print it out, the emotional support pickle encouragement words, then the pink for the blush and red for the lips yarns, and safety eyes. I'm using a 7mm. And to start, we are going to make a magic ring. Insert your hook, grab the yarn, and make a chain 1. Now you are going to put 6 single crochet into that ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And one more, 6. Now tighten up the ring and insert your hook into your first single crochet, grab the yarn and slip stitch, then chain 1. Now we are going to increase our work, which is 2 single crochet in each of the following 6 stitches, and you should have a total of 12 single crochet or stitches all the way around. And that's our second round, because our first round is the magic ring plus 6 single crochet, and we are working in our second round, which is increase 2 single crochet in each of the following 6 stitches, as like I said. Now again, insert your hook into the very first single crochet, grab the yarn, slip stitch, and chain 1. Now into the round 3, we are going to increase our work, which is single crochet on that same stitch, 2 single crochet into the next stitch. Again, single crochet into the next stitch and 2 single crochet into the next stitch. Repeat the process all the way across, and you should have a total of 18 stitches all the way around. Now again, slip stitch on the beginning stitch, grab the yarn, chain 1, and now increasing again for the 4th round, single crochet into that same stitch, single crochet into the next stitch, and 2 single crochet into the next stitch. Again, single crochet into the next, single crochet into the next, and 2 single crochet into the next stitch. Repeat the process all the way around, and you should have a total of 24 single crochet. Now slip stitch and chain 1, then single crochet all the way around for a total of 24 single crochet. Now again, slip stitch on the beginning stitch and chain 1. We are now going to start our warts, so single crochet on that same stitch, yarn over, insert the hook into the same stitch, grab the yarn, you have 2 loops, yarn over, insert into that same stitch, grab the yarn and pull through 2 loops, you have 3 loops into your hook. Now grab the yarn and pull through all the 3 loops, and instead of doing a chain 1, you are going to the next stitch and just make a single crochet. And that's our first warts. Now again, single crochet all the way around. And you should still have a total of 24 stitches. Now continue doing or putting a single crochet in each of the following 24 stitches for at least 7 to 8 rows. Then you should start putting another warts on the opposite side of your project. And then we are going to put the safety eyes, the blush, and lips of our emotional support pickle. So like I said, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in between the 7 and 8, we're going to put the safety eye. Insert. Like I said, I'm going to use a 7mm size of our safety eye. Always remember to secure the safety eye inside, of course. As I always do, I put the safety cup first and then burn it using a lighter to make it more secure. So now using your tapestry needle and a pink yarn, you are going to sew underneath the eye, just like the video shown. And don't pull it too tight. After you sew both sides, you just have to tie it up inside your project and hide the tail. Then cut the yarn. So now let's continue. Single crochet, single crochet all the way around. But like I said, we are going to put warts on the opposite side. You don't really need to count how much stitches do you need to put before you put the warts. You just have to figure, or yeah, just figure it out. Where do you need to put it? So yarn over, grab the yarn, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, grab the yarn and pull through 2 loops. And you should have 3 loops into your hook. Now grab the yarn and pull through all the 3 loops. And then go straight to the next stitch and make a single crochet. And single crochet all the way around. Now in every like 5 rows, you're going to put the warts. If you want as much as warts as you want, then you can put in any particular order as well. So we have to stop it here because we're going to put the lips of our project. Using your tapestry needle again and a red yarn, just find the center of the project, insert the hook into the middle, then insert it into both sides to form a V, and go back to where you inserted the needle on the first place. There you go, and then tie it up to make it secure. Cut the yarn and hide the tail inside. And here you have it, the lips of the project. So now let's continue. So as you notice, there's warts in the opposite sides. So now what we're going to do is we're going now to put a warts behind or at the back of the project. Because we cannot put it in front right now, the reason why, it's because we are going to put the emotional support, pickle, encouragement words. So first you're going to put it in the back as usual. Insert the hook and single crochet into the next after you put the warts on it. And you still have a total of 24 stitches. As you notice, we don't change any stitches here. We just have to continue our work. Now, you should have at least a total of 20 rounds to finish your work. And then we're going to decrease. So after you put a wart, you just have to push it up outside of your project. Now it's time to put the polyfill or the filling of our project. So now decreasing the work, single crochet on that same stitch, single crochet on that next stitch, and 2 single crochet together into the next 2 stitches. Again, single crochet into the next stitch, single crochet into the next stitch, and 2 single crochet together into the following 2 stitches. Now you should have a total of 18 stitches left. Chain 1. Now again for decrease, single crochet on that same stitch, 2 single crochet together into the following 2 stitches. Again, single crochet into the next stitch, 2 single crochet together into the next 2 stitches. Continue doing it until you reach the end. So now we are going to slip stitch, chain 1, and pull up the yarn for the sewing to close the project. But before that, if you still wanted to put a little bit more of the polyfill, you can do that as well. So cut the yarn and make sure to leave an allowance for the sewing to close our project. So here it is. I am only going to take the front loop of our project and insert the tapestry needle, pull it through all the way, just like the video showed. Once you reach all the front loop, you're going to pull it to close and secure the ends. Here it is, our finished product, but now not, of course, because we're going to put the arms. So using an arms, you have to slip knot, then chain of up to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now using the hump of your chain only, you're going to make a single crochet on that first hump, single crochet into the next, single crochet into the next, and another single crochet into the next. Then slip stitch into the following 3 stitches left. 1 slip stitch, 2, and 3. Chain 1, then cut your yarn, but make sure to leave an allowance for the sewing later. Make 2 of this, just like what I did. So now we're going to put or make a topper or the top of the pickle. So we are going to chain up to 6 and put 3 single crochet in each of the following 2 stitches. One, 2, and 3. 1, 2. I added one more set of 3 single crochet into the next before I slip stitch into the last 2 stitches. Then chain 1, and here you have it. You have the stem or the handle or the head topper of your pickle. So just put it or sew it using your tapestry needle and secure it all the time, all the project. If you want to glue it up also, you can also do that as well. So by putting the arm, we have to put the emotional support, encouragement words first before we put the hands or the both arms of your project to make it more equal size. So that's what I did here. And just trace where you put the first arm, and then just eyeball the next arm. And then what I did is put a stick glue on the center of that card and stick it on the center of the project or the emotional support pickle. And then once you finally attach the arm, you can now put a stick glue on the tip of that arm and stick it on the paper, just like what I'm doing there in the video. Do it on this opposite side. And here you have it. Your project is done. And this is the chips that I found in a Hobby Lobby. You can also put make as a keychain, and you can also put the chips to make it stand and decorate it on anywhere you want it to put, on the table or in the car as well. So thank you for watching. This is Ali Crochet once again. I hope I made it clear this time, because the first video I made is not really clear. Thank you. Bye.